Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use line keys and busy lamp field on your Polycom phone. These are two similar features but with different functions. Both line keys and busy lamp field keys are configured by the administrator in the portal. Once configured, they will appear on your phone screen next to the line key buttons. A line key allows you to make and receive calls on another user's line. Busy lamp field acts as a quick dial button to that user's extension. First, let's review line keys. By pressing the line key, you will receive a dial tone for that user's line and may make a call. An incoming call will show the extension of the line being called on your phone screen as well as the caller ID. You can answer that user's line by picking up the handset or by pressing the green answer key on the screen. Now we will look at busy lamp field. By pressing the line key button on your phone screen, it will act as a quick dial to that user's extension. When this additional user's line is busy, it will be displayed by the line key button being lit. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.